So this is why we're here. This is a AC Unity Gen 2 magazine my buddy has for his 5.56 AK. I'm gonna try and run a 5.56 AK in Clash Bash because that's one of the only divisions I've never run. And we're gonna try this with my reloads. He's got a KNS adjustable gas system, so I'm gonna try it with the regular base pad and then throw this on. This is a +10. See if this thing works. Very front heavy AK. One of my favorite stickers on it. And it's got one of these little flippy doodah things on it. So I don't know if this will ever take a drum, which really sucks. That's really the best solution here. What the hell? Well, this sucks. It doesn't even have a positive retention on it. That was one thing when they did this adjustment. He had to grind down the lug of his magazine, and they don't actually lock in. They just kind of roll in. So I'm going to see if his piston will actually run my reloads. Yeah, no, it is way undergassed. So I got to take this apart and do that. All right, I've got this thing threaded out all the way, so this should be maximum gas. Okay, now we can actually put the extension on. So the idea of this magazine was to be able to use a 2.5 inch long number 10 screw and a nylock there, but of course the model said the nylock would fit flush against the base of this magazine, but real life didn't happen. This is prototype number 2 that I basically got to fit and got the spacing right and made sure the magazine spring didn't bind. But you can see I tried to remedy it here at the range, but that's gonna do just fine for this test. Load up 40, see how it does. This KNS gas system's stupid. Yeah, I've got it loosened out all the way and it won't even run. That was an empty piece of brass. Adjustability isn't always good, friends. That's an empty piece of brass. That's live round, must not have chambered. This gun's way under gas. Magazine works, 36 rounds. This KNS system's dumb. So I think when I shoved the set screw in, it changed some of the geometry. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rounds left. See the follower's bound. So there's some amount of space in here that's letting the spring get bound. But you can see I'm using the same base pad. So I'm going to run this again with the stock guts. See if this will run. 7-yard full auto groups.